three most important elements of rumba walk and how to actually move your body. So number one element, always use your rib cage first. Rib cage. Second element is a step. So we have rib cage, step, and the third element is a hip pendulum. So rib cage, step, pendulum. So it looks like this. So you start your rib cage if you want to move forward, then you take your step, and then you have your pendulum hip. The same to the side, rib cage, step, hip. The same backward, rib cage, step, and only then hip. Rib cage, step, hip. So I'll demonstrate forward a few walks. So you have and walk and walk and walk. So as you notice, I always do rib cage first, then almost like when I fall, I catch myself with the step, and after that there is only hip changing. So this will be a wrong way. Incorrect way is to do step, then hip, step, hip. So this is the only one order: rib cage, step, hip, rib cage, step, hip, rib cage, step, hip. And you can put timing on it, and 2 and 30 and 4 and 1 and follow for more.